Bank of Nova Scotia. Bank of Nova Scotia, first and foremost, is a bank. It provides a range of banking and financial services worldwide. This is from Yahoo Finance. It offers retail, commercial, corporate, investment, and wholesale banking services. The bank operates in three divisions: domestic banking, international banking, and Scotia Capital. The bank operates a network of 954 branches and 2,624 ATMs in Canada. This is as of October 31st, 2005. The International Banking Division provides personal, commercial, and corporate banking services as well as trade finance in the Caribbean, Central America, Mexico, Latin America, and Asia Pacific. Let's look at the chart here. Again, a monthly chart. Again, similar to the look of Brookfield Asset Management, a stock I love, and I love this one also. This is another stock that I'm recommending 10% investment of total portfolio. Similar look, a double bottom look here. If you look at the chart in September 02, and it takes off after that. Mid 03, it jumps outside the Keltner channel and is rolled up the Keltner channel, and every pullback is kind of pulled back in between the 4 and the 10 moving average. I title that a wedge trap. Wedge trap is when there is tremendous amount of emotion when you pull back under that moving average is helping you run up, but it kind of pulls back to the moving average, the 10, which is kind of taking it up slowly. You'll look at a stock that's been bullish over 5, 10, 15 years a lot of times on a monthly level, and you'll see that it'll ride up that 10 exponential moving average on a monthly chart. When I look at the Trix oscillator, again, has been above the zero line since 2003. We've recently turned up again. We're outside the Keltner channel. This stock looks strong, and its PE ratio is 14.9. Wow. Banks just have great PE ratios in general. Its price to earning ratio, I mean, what this company's stock price illustrates compared to what it earns, it's at a cheap value. It's at a great value. It's not overpriced. Some tech stocks can be very overpriced, and I'll ride them sometimes as momentum trades on a position trade basis. I'll use a lot of daily charts. But what I'm building here at YouTube is a resume, reference point. 12 months down the line, you'll look back and you'll see that these stocks were vetted properly. We've looked at it on a weekly and a monthly. We've looked at the PE. We've looked at the revenues. This looks great. So Bank of Nova Scotia is a strong buy. Strong buy. Always consult your financial consultant. But this looks great. 10% invested in this. We're at $46 and some change. Could this stock next year this time be $62, $60, $65? Strong possibility it could be. If you're going to buy in right now, I'd set a stop at about $40. If you bought in this coming week, next week, and it's around $46, $45, put a stop at $40. Put a stop at $39. It gives you room to breathe as this thing goes higher. It looks very good. It's very strong. Technically speaking, it's just riding up a trend line. I don't have the trend line snapped on here, but if I put a trend line on here, the trend line would probably be about $42. I'm saying put the stop just up under the 10. This gives you room. It gives you safety. A stop is a safety valve. And just in case something odd happens to the stock, it gives you the ability to get out with a minimal loss. Always first want to minimize our losses and then maximize our gains. So I like Bank of Nova Scotia. Strong buy. Recommendation, 10% of total portfolio investment into it. This is Blake Verdun of Bark Street Investment, soon to be barkstreet.net. Look for us shortly. Pass this stock around to family, friends, institutional investors, financial advisors, money managers. And 6 months, 12 months down the line, a lot of people will be happy about this one. Good, strong stock. I like it. Blake Verdun speaking. Have a great day. Go Bank of Nova Scotia. Sound like Kramer from CNBC. Let's pump it, baby!